So let's have a look for question 1. So question 1 is a factorization problem. So method 1 is always we can just substitute different number for alpha and beta. For example, so method 1 will be like this, method 1. So we put alpha is 1 and we put out beta is 2. So after we put alpha is 1 and beta is 2, we plug in to got a number here. So using a calculator, we have 1 square minus 1, and then minus 2 square minus plus 2. So from the calculator, we got the answer is -2. And after that, we check A, B, C, D, and to see which one is -2 again. So that will be the answer. So after I put this one, I got the answer is -2 according to the calculator. And after that, I plug in alpha is 1 and beta is 2 again to got A, B, C, D. What are the answer? So for example, A is 1 plus 2 and then bracket 1 minus 2 plus 1. Then I got the first number is 0. And similarly, I do the calculation for B, C, and D as well. So for B, we will got -6. For C, we will have -4. And for D, we will got -2. So you see that they got the same answer. That means the answer should be D for question 1. So this is the first method. We do play. We just substitute different numbers. Okay. So how about the second method? The second method to do this question is by comparing coefficients. So now you see that we have 4 different terms, right? So if you can do faster, I would suggest you should have the second method, which is done by comparing coefficient. So now I'll focus for the last one, beta. So how can I have beta? How can I have a product to be beta? That means we can have only beta times 1, right? Only choice is beta times 1. So for A, beta times 1 positive, positive, still positive. You see that? Our target is positive. So positive times positive is still positive. A, maybe. So for B, plus and minus, you see that? Positive times minus become negative. So B does mean bye-bye. Okay, no way. So for C, negative times positive. So still negative. So that means C is not. Okay. So for D, minus negative times negative. So D is possible. So that means if I only check plus beta, then I have 2 possible choices, which are A or D, right? So because both of them give positive beta. So that means I need to check another one. So now I will check another one, which is alpha. For alpha, the sign is negative. So how can I have alpha? Actually, the only way is alpha times 1, right? Alpha times 1. And my target is to got negative alpha. So for A, alpha times positive 1 is still positive. So that means A is wrong. And how about D? Alpha times -1. So it will be negative alpha. So that's why we can still got the answer is D in question 1. So we have method 1, putting number, and also method 2 is check the coefficient, okay, whether they're positive or negative.